Dear friends, வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். In this session we are discussing about Schedule T, good manufacturing practice for Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani drugs manufacturing. We can discuss about the components of GMP as per Schedule T. Under Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, Schedule T describes the good manufacturing practice for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani medicines. Shortly, it is known as GMP of ASU. Good manufacturing process. It's one of the key steps where quality control is required to ensure quality of medicinal products. It includes the herbal medicines good manufacturing practice. It is the most important tool for this message. Okay, ASU GMP. That is called as Schedule T. Then and also the major objective is to ensure that the raw materials used in the manufacture of drugs are authentic, prescribed quality, and are free from contamination. To ensure that adequate quality control measures are adopted in this category. It describes the GMP for Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani medicine as we studied earlier. The GMP prescribed are given in detailed manner. First of all, raw materials used in the manufacture of drugs are authentic, of prescribed quality, and are free from contamination. So we are using lot of raw materials for the manufacturing of herbal drugs. That should be authenticated. That should be in prescribed quality and are free from contamination. It is most important. The manufacturing process is as has been prescribed to maintain the standards. Okay, so raw materials authentication, then manufacturing process in the prescribed minimum standard. Next, adequate quality control measures are adopted. Okay, so each and every completion of the manufacturing process, that particular products should have adopted in the quality measures. Okay, then the manufactured drug which is related for sales of acceptable quality in sales. Then to achieve the objectives listed above, each licensee shall evolve methodology and procedures for following the prescribed process of manufacture of drugs, which should be documented as a manual and kept for reference and inspection. So after manufacturing, after quality control, and after selling, the document details, the batch number, manufacturer details, everything should be documented for the further inspection. Okay, however, under IMCC Act 1970 registered Vaidyas, Siddhas and Hakima who prepare medicine, I mean Siddha, Ayurveda and Unani manufacturers who prepare medicines on their own to dispense it to their patients and not selling such drugs in the market are exempted from the purview of GMP. In certain cases, the manufacturers, they are preparing their medicines for their own patient purpose. Okay, they have not sold anything. In India, good manufacturing practices was introduced under Schedule M as an amendment to Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1940 in 24/6/1988. Okay, then after the schedule was further elaborated in 23 June 2000, which specific the GMP features to be followed for ISM, I mean Indian System of Medicine. After that, it was separately categorized for Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicine. Then teaching institutes and registered qualified Vaidyas, Siddhas and Hakims who prepare medicines on their own to dispense to their patients and not selling such drugs in the markets are exempted from the purview of Schedule T. These information already we discussed. There is also a provision issuance of GMP certificate after proper inspection of units. Okay, so inspection will be done by the inspectors. Then only the GMP certificates will be issued. Okay, for the particular section. This good manufacturing practice certificates has validity for 2 years from the date of issuance. Okay, so every 2 years the certificate should be renewed or after completion of further inspection, it will be modified or renovated. I mean, the extension of the certificate will be extended after 2 years after completion of the successful inspection. Then the main objectives of GMP or principle of the GMP. First of all, implementation of GMP ensures total quality assurance covering all the spheres in a manufacturing system. Total quality assurance. Then these are highlighted below: raw material and finished products, their authenticity, quality, freedom, then free from foreign matter and contamination. Second, manufacturing process conforms to prescribed quality standards, adoption of adoption adequate quality control measures. Then documentation, methodologies and procedures for reference and inspection. So the objectives of the quality control is related to raw materials and finished products area, then manufacturing process and conform to prescribed quality standards, then documentation. Next, GMP schedule for Indian system of medicine manufacturing units is quite elaborate, broadly covers each and every component of the manufacturing process. Different components of good manufacturing practices are given below in order of appearance in Schedule T. Okay, we can discuss about the different components of good manufacturing practice uh, in upcoming session. Okay, now we have discussed about the components of good manufacturing practice. What is the meaning of Schedule T and outline of the Schedule T and all. Okay. Siddha and Unani drugs manufacturing. In upcoming session, we can discuss about the full detail information in a detailed manner. Okay, thank you very much. Best wishes for all success in our life. This is the important topic for herbal drug technology under Unit 4. Sorry, under Unit 5. We can meet another lecture session. வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன் நன்றி